Hi friends, let's learn about vowel sounds, and they are A, E, I, O, U, and they are vowels. But each vowels make two sounds. How many sounds? Two sounds. A long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. Let's take the vowel A. A can be read as a. Let's see the examples. First of all, ape, apron. Next is A, apple, cat. Okay. Next is E, and E can be read as E and A. Okay. So let's see the examples. First of all, E, eagle, key. Now E can also be read as A, like elephant, pen. Next is vowel I, and I can be read as I also and E also. Let's see the examples. Ice, bike, iron. Now see the example of E. Ink, pin. Let's take the vowel O, and O can be also used in two sounds. One is O and another is OW. Let's start with O. Old, gold. Next is OW. Off, octopus, pot. Okay children, now let's take the vowel U, and U can be read as U also, also. Here also two sounds. For U I give you some more examples such as unity, uniform. Another example is of and is like umbrella, uncle. So A can be like two sounds, ape, apple. Clear? E can be eel, egg, big egg. I can be ice, igloo. O can be old, off. Clear? U can be use, uncle. So, how many vowel sounds we have done? 5. Let's revise them with their sounds only. A says a. E says e, a. I says I, e. O says o, means ow. Okay. O says o, ow. U says you, so one is small sound, another one is bigger sound. So whatever their sounds may be, vowels, they will remain to be. Okay. Sit with your mom, dad, and do practice. Bye-bye.